Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all doing well. Today I am going to discuss about amortized time. This is not a very common topic, but we should learn about it because sometimes the technical interviewer can be asked you what is amortized time because this topic is not so common and most of the institutes and books not prefer to teach about it. This topic comes under time analysis of algorithm. Let's know about the definition of amortized time. Amortized time is a way to express the time complexity when an algorithm has a very bad time complexity only once in a while, beside the time complexity that happens most of the time. In simple words, we can say that, like in binary search, we have time complexity of log n. Most of the time complexity of binary search is log n. But this happens when we have condition like array is sorted. But what if array is not sorted? Then what will be the time complexity of binary search? Yeah, it happens once in a while. Like most of the time, array will be sorted. But what if array is not sorted? Like we have a situation 1 in 1,000 time, array is not sorted. Then what will be time complexity? Obviously, it will be more than log n. So that analysis of that situation where a very uncommon situation happens. So analysis of that situation is called amortized time analysis. For binary search, what will be amortized time analysis? It will be analysis of that condition when array is not sorted. So it will be called amortized time analysis. Here we take example of array list. Let's discuss about it. For example, we have taken an array list which has capacity of n. In array, we can have two time complexities. It will be order of 1 or it will be order of n. If array is not full, we can insert new element in array. Like here we can insert new element, here we can insert new element, here we can insert new elements. So it will be order of n for insertion of an element. But what if the array is full? Like here the array is full, we can't insert new element in this array. So if we have to add new element to the array, what will we have to do? We have to create a new array of size 2n. Like size of this array is 1 2 3 4 5 6 6. So we have to create a new array of size 12. Like this is 12. And what after that, we have to copy all elements of this array to this array. And after that, we have to insert new element at the end of the last element of the previous array. So it will take like time to copy previous elements, time to insert new elements, time to create new array. It will be analysis of three time complexities. Let's talk about it. Why we need amortized time? We need amortized time basically to analyze the situation which is not so common, which happens once in a while, like I said about binary search. So same in the case of array. Like most of the time, we define the array and we know the length, like how many elements we have to add to the array. But what if we get a situation where the length of the array is not so sufficient to cover all the elements? Then that situation come under amortized time. So that analysis will be done by amortized time. Like here, when the array is full, what we are doing? We are making new array of size 2n, and copy previous elements to the new array and adding new element to the last of the previous element. This insertion will take O n time. So that's why we need amortized time here. So what will be the time complexity that is basically known as amortized time? What will be the amortized time of this example? Like we are making new array to the of the power 2n. Like one first array is size 1, other element is size 2, other is 4, other is 8, next is 16. Here it goes to x. So what will be the time complexity of this array? So it will be like sum of all the array, like 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus go on to x. Let's find out the amortized time of that array. So if we talk about from right to left, like from right to left, it will be x plus x by 2 plus x by 4 until 1. So if we sum all this, it will be 2x. Therefore x insertion take 2x time. So amortized time for that array will be 2x. So this is called amortized time. I hope you guys get my points and it helps you. Thank you. For more videos, subscribe to my channel. Fun and learn. Thank you.